Yo, what's up, Superfit fam? This is Super Chai here, bringing you guys another awesome video. All right, today we're going through an ab workout, which is gonna be an AMRAP. So that means we're gonna be doing as many rounds as possible in 5 minutes, and it's gonna be nothing but abs. All right, guys, let's get it. We're gonna be using a step up the whole entire time. So if you guys are in a gym and you have a step up system like this, it's gonna be awesome, okay? All right, so the first exercise we're gonna be doing is hop overs. So if you're advanced, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna put your hands down, we're gonna hop over 10 times, okay? We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, making sure we really pull our knees into our chest. If that's kind of easy for you, what you can do is you can try to keep your legs straight when you jump up, like that, and put more weight on your shoulders, and also compress more to get more ab action. If that's too hard for you and you need a low impact variation, you put your hands down, up, up, down, down. That's 1, that's 2, okay? All right, our next exercise that we're gonna get into some leg raises. So I'm gonna sit here on the edge of my step up. I'm gonna grab with my hands behind me. And if you're a beginner, all you really gotta do is just hold here for 10 seconds. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If that's a little easy for you, you can come in and out just like this. And we're gonna do 10 reps just like that. If that's still too easy for you, you can keep your legs straight and pike up just like that. And we'll do 10 reps just like that. All right, guys, our next exercise that we're gonna get into some shoulder taps. So I'm gonna put my hands down here just like this. So I'm gonna be in a long plank position. Now from here, I'm gonna do 10 shoulder taps. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If this is too hard for you, you can actually get down on your knees and perform the same exercise. And just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 10. And if that's easy, if it's still too easy for you, both variations, what you can do, you can put your feet down on the ground like this. Move your hands out in front of you, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, we're down to our final exercise. Our final exercise is gonna be a hop up. So it's gonna be really, really tough, okay, guys? So for my beginners, we're gonna put our hands down just like this. And all you're gonna do, my beginners, all you're gonna do is step up, step down, step down, step up, step down. Really making sure I contract my abs when I get up there. If that's easy, we're gonna try to jump up instead. 1, 2, just like that. And if that's still too easy, we're gonna try to pike up. Now this is very, very tough. I might not be able to do this, so don't laugh at me. So I'm gonna try to keep my legs straight, same exact thing. I thought I almost ate it on that one. And you'll do 10 of those, okay? So those are, I'm already tired. So you do 5 minutes of that, as many rounds as you could possibly do, okay? It's gonna be really tiring, but it'll get you a nice little 6-pack going. Tell me how many rounds you guys made it through. You guys only got 5 minutes. Let's get it. All right, Superfit fam, here goes a screenshotable version of the workout for you guys to use for future reference. As always, please like and subscribe to my page, as it really puts this video in front of other people that can also use it and help them get to their fitness goals. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. I always try to get to the comments and try to make videos on some of the questions you guys may ask. As always, stay healthy, stay fit, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.